Okay, so I'm not in the mood to cook anything. Okay, I'm very hungry right now, and I have nothing to eat, to be honest. So I decided to go with samosas. And I place them here. Of course, I don't have a baking sheet, so this is my way to bake them. But I'm going to fix a quick salad just as a side. Let's go with two. I know I have food here, and I'm going to use it. Oh, paper towel. Mm-hmm. Oh, by the way, the portion size is 2 samosas, and here looks like a lot of them. But I decided to go with 4 or 3 for a person, because I treat it as a main dish, not a side. So that's the reason. Mixing bowl. Let's go with this chef's knife. Yeah, I could use my hands, but decided to be fancy with a knife. Okay, up. And 1 tomato. Oh man. Yeah, and maybe some olives here as well. They have olives. Oh no, I need to change the room. Okay, so the oven is ready. Oh, what's this? Some cardboard. Let's put it here. Oh, it's coming inside. And how much time? 25 minutes. Okay, timer. Start. And just put the olives. The olive oil I don't want to touch with my hands because there is a risk that it will contaminate the rest of the jar. But no, I wash my hands, so I'm going to remove them using the spoon. And I think that 4 of them is good. And what I'm doing, I'm just placing the sticker on the jar to make sure how much time I have. I think it's good for 10 days if you keep it in the fridge. Oh, not enough space. Okay, let's do that. And as for the sauce, I don't know what to do. Probably I will just go with the olive oil. I don't have many more ideas here. Just 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Yeah, I'm thinking without any recipe. It's just a spontaneous decision to eat something. I was going to add maple syrup because recently I've added a lot of maple syrups to all the dishes. I used one for broccoli sprouts and they were edible this way, so... Oh, sorry, Brussels sprouts. I keep saying broccoli sprouts, but I meant Brussels sprouts. I know there's a trick you can use. Well, that's a lot of olive oils. I mean olives. Olives in my hand again. I'm not sure if it's tasty. I'm going to eat more tomato. Well... I just realized that I don't have a safe place to go to microwave. So I don't know what to do right now because I lost my favorite bowl today in the morning. And to be honest, I don't have more left, so this microwave safe. Okay, I have a plate with a snowman. So maybe that's a good idea to use. Okay, 21 minutes. What I'm going to do is I just wanted to thaw it in microwave. I have no idea how much. Oh, okay, 85 grams, 1 pouch. Okay. Grams. I don't see the option here on my microwave. So I keep looking, but start. Oh, off the frost. That was what I was looking for. And weigh. I think that's the way. Not really, but probably 1 minute was enough. Minutes. Remove my samosas from the oven. The food. Over. Turn. Okay. So they say to me, the microwave says that I need to turn over the food. Whoa, what's happening here? They mentioned here that talking about served chilled. I think this one is chill. What does that taste? So, is it frozen still? Okay, I need to come back to microwave. Oh, I see. The microwave was waiting for me to add additional steps, so great to hear that. 17. Well, I think it's ready. So I remove the sauce from the microwave. Yeah. I don't see any frozen bits inside, so I can... I feel like I used a lot of plates, utensils, and so on. Okay, so yeah, I'm waiting for samosas, and let's start a little bit of cooking here. Oh. Wow, that's hot. That's really hot. Oh. Well, this is the bottle from some, I think it was Nescafe. I don't remember the brand, to be honest, or maybe Chibo. But I used to keep them, wash them, and use for storing some ingredients because the size is perfect. Of course, the problem is with the lid because the coffee smell is very strong, so it takes a week or two to remove the smell by itself, by placing it on the counter or somewhere and just waiting. I think you can use some baking soda to neutralize the smell, but it will fade, so no worries. Oh, I usually use this one here, whatever. Okay, I'm back again, technical problems, which means I didn't have enough space on my card. Oh man, what's this? By the way, this one is brand new, so it's not like it's dirty and I put it here. It's brand new and I was supposed to use it somewhere and decided not to use it, so that's the story. I just realized I should have left it here in the bowl because right now there's no space to put samosa on a plate. Well, that's me, my mistake. Okay, so I have 1 minute. This one is wet, still wet. This one is good. Put it here. Is it good? No, still wet. Oh my god. Put it here. Oh, 15 seconds to go. Oh, I need this one. Where is it? Golden crack. I have one. Whoa, what was that? What a song. Okay, this is like. Wait, off. Stop. Okay, and I need to remove this. Okay. It's hot. I need to remember that. Here's the sign, why not? For here, 3 there, and went as a backup.